like Russ went back and got her a little higher in the air for this lap. Now he's found the horn.